blank say nyame se wonte ne ho na okọ na okọ no wo si esi man emfa bibia emfa nko and lo and behold kwame yemu bi hono mo sebi eto bi amafo ka experience dey aduma me da bia me ka say radio no me say to bi di yeah enti no me hu obi a nyame pese o kan bi fa ne so a me hu anopa na ma me bi preach wadu kromo Pentecost ni obama te so dem ma me bompa ma say mama yankopon si jai pantry aduma o ye woni fa no akoye aduma and lo and behold and then the background warranty abrochire
wow
what do you say enti kwame and o ka say nya emisi enno ebeba say na o de ye 11 ni kwanto nchen empanyinfu enimu de
ebe gira
atoto etini pra o de kwame Matthew 2 or say Matthew chapter 2 verse 1 Jesus was born in a town of Bethlehem in Judea during that time when Herod was the king. Soon afterwards, some men who studied the stars came from the east to Jerusalem and asked, where is the baby born to be king? And no one say yes, but no hini bit so. Obi study where we say Yejawa, ebeko ye di amount. Anything obe sas ye the name of to akwemu ebe se wo ne ma
obi a sheda trans ye 2022 ede ne ma papa bi ejo ma wo 2022
o ma hu wadwuma no say ni hini no 2022 mu ene ne yemfa jantum yemfa ja enfantum
ene onim se 2022 no so betum pon 2022 wo bi sade a wodi ato awurade no sania bible ne ka se awurade fa ne bo a eche ansa wato abotere wa hu se eba enti opeso say wan time na du
I see verse 3 I see when King Herod heard about this he was very upset and was very angry with the whole Jerusalem onipa beti say what's yedie kwan so nyame be boa obesida obetoka obeko school ubenya scholarship pe no se kwame moma yento yare bi mo no kwame obi o se wonyi nyame kan ni yare bi e friend asram obi na timi to mo obi o abofrasha ya frum yetimi ya na asram na nsu akota ni tirim e ya frum ni mu o se when Herod heard that Jesus yeba wo Yesu no Herod was upset with the whole Jerusalem. And it won't quanti eventually at obi aba na mama ya ne ma shin dey ebi a ono na ohwe ni fie o and then mo fa besi dey adidi ebi school ne ma na nanom ebi ko akoma bosi a bank and odi adwuma
ebi edan kakra
yes I see verse 4 he called together all the chief priests the teachers of the law and asked them where the Messiah is to be born. Messiah means the anointed one or jifono obi obaji wabusuam ya sheda ashina adwuma obesi dey ato atade ama ato mpabo ama obesi ma credit
yamana ye confused why confused
yes
nana ohun ba bi ordinary kire mpo me no ka say obi ankokoba ema abusuanya bi de no why yarefo why yarefo a ye ye ne hwe anya ye ono a onwu ono nso a yare no enko sana awurade si yen kan kira dofo amutie say bonsam sana ohihya ne niema eti awurade say pray without ceasing bompaya eni awieye pray without ceasing
eti awie nyumba ko pese yetu say uni nyamia wuma ye diye na uni nyamia odi yenko di yemba yedawasia ensado yeyiwaya ensado owaine yedawasia ensado yeyiwaya baby obia ye bompa ye de nyame ase se ode ye nkwade ya cheye kwame eja ye to nyina de nyame ase se obia ngu obia sei obia hye anyume awie baby obia no yemfi ase de nyankopon ase ni yempagya ne di hye de no nyam baby awo baby awo te baby awo nam fasida ma nyankopon wabɔ ho ba hwɛ so wona wo ma bɔne bia nto ene yate ne yente ye hu ne ye hu na mo da so te ase awie ya ayawurade ene wa ye sa wa ma wa ngu o mo onum engu ase oha bia nto oba bia nyare ka bia mo bicycle bi anhwe wo ne mangu owuyare bi anto so wo da ye ne wasore bible say me koda me da keke me sore na abatansa bi ekura me mu nyame abatansa ekura wunti awiei pagya national nunyam fasida ma no bi wona de man na se be bia won so betumi da nyame ase nko ade a sa won fere na won soro de a wo de asida be nyame hyena nunyam kamfo hyena nunyam dana ase anawiei ye da wase owura wona wa ya mayen ye koso dana ase awiei ne yɛ sɛ nyankopɔn sɛ bɔne bi a yɛyɛ mfomsoɔ biara no ɔmfa nkyɛ yɛn na ɔnte yɛ ho sɛ bɔne bi ɛna ɛma egya ɛma yareɛ ɛma ɔhaw ɛma sane ba yɛ so a owura no mfa nkyɛ yɛn no mfa de hyɛmogya no ɛnware yɛ na ɔnte yɛ ho Matthew nnwom baako sɛ wash me, cleanse me by the blood that flows on Calvary. God me, not to move moja up him ɛwɔ Calvary no. Owura awie da wase so that hyɛmogya no adware afei awie fa ho hyɛ Nyame nsa. Kwame ɛna mpɛsɛ nyina bɔ mpa kagye Awurade sɛ yɛde yɛho gyaw. Awurade yɛho gyaw. Yɛde yɛho gyaw. Yɛde yɛho gyaw. Yɛde yɛfie gyaw. Yɛde yɛadwuma yi gyaw. Yɛde yɛmpanyimfoɔ gyaw. Yɛde yɛtiefoɔ gyaw. Owura bɔ yɛn ho ban na ɛbɛyɛ sane ɔhaw ne abrɛw. Yɛbɔ yɛn nsɛm bɔ mpa Awurade nhwɛ yɛn saa ɛma yɛn. Yɛde yɛho gyaw owura. Yɛde yɛho gyaw owura. Yɛde yɛmɛ gyaw. Yɛde yɛtiefoɔ gyaw. Awie yi afidie ahodoɔ yɛ asonsom yɛn. Sɛ yɛde yɛho gyaw nti no bɛma ɔbɔnefoɔ nhyɛ nyinaa ayɛ kwa. Owura ma ahoɔden tumi anya kaseɛ. When we feel sanimu, when we feel abimu, obi tene storm where you are, ni ashamano, so kofi akowu, Yehovah, yinifrimu, yadi uja di ameja osa, wo Yesu dimo, so konkro wafo, kasamaya yue, wo Yesu dimo. Kwame, okay, Bible say, osi otese ya wo Yesu no, ofreye, no mukoshia, ye pese makaje Awurade say, meeting biara yeshia ewa me no yetiefo ye ma ho no owura no ma na hoɔden ama wo mpete saa ye mo yesa mo mpa yesa ye bo mpa na wie wo Yesu di mo meeting biara ye fre ye di wase ye hyehyɛ ye nti sɛ Awurade ye fre meeting bi na ɔkoma agiego na atiefo ayɛ basa ye bo mpa na anopai awo Yesu di mo wo mu hia owura hoɔden bɔ wɔn pete ahoɔden mo pete awo Yesu Christo di mo. Bible says let God arise and his enemies be scattered. This afternoon we scatter all enemies, every plan of the devil concerning our lives, concerning our children, in the name of Jesus. For the weapons of our warfare, they are not carnal, but they are mighty through God to the pulling down of strongholds. Every strong of the enemy, every orchestration of the devil, in the name of Jesus. Afi kona yuye and jesheye biara and jecheye biara apam biara. Bible say ye boy Yesu Christo dia koto dwa nyina tatema nyina ebe pemaka so owura ma homene so wo Yesu demo. Ami ye bom peka jero ade say ya chichiri obi a yes say de bedi bronya say susu say wonamu owura ni moja no ensane na enkasa ne ma ye fa hudie ye mo sampa no we bom pa wo Yesu Christo demo. Say chichiri oba bi ya chichiri bema bi chichiri abofra bi a chichiri driver ni bi a chichiri mate ni bi a awie Yesu demo. Let the blood of Jesus that speak better things more than the blood of Abel begin to speak for us now in the name of Jesus. Yes, no nipa yada ni try nipa yada na ponche yada no monkuko krokro koku anana awie yesane awo Yesu demo owura ma homre so na kasama ye awo Jesus Christ Nazareth ni mo yada wase kwame baby obia no onfa na nsa ento na koma so ye mo mpa uyo nyamia wo sakrada yakutuo na yesori wo uyo nyamia ampare wo sakrada ampara yakutuo oh yeso ayi wo Yesu demo ebra wo masada o makoma so anya adishimoja no a ehwegu Calvary no aisha yenso aisha yemanso aisha tiefo so aisha yenwuma so okumbofo bi edu ye ho a ontwam wo Yesu demo Bible say na Jericho afasio ni dwiri ye enam Israel for the denti ene owura ye yo seteni abompa ye afasio bi anwiri yare afasio ohia afasio bayi dom afasio anwiri wo Yesu demo afiko na wie ye se de owu ato obi so a udimu ampepa Yesu demo ansane Yesu demo enwiri se ye de sika ton Yesu a owura obi bia de sika aton no ye de Yesu moja tuaka Yesu moja de tuaka Yesu moja di tuaka.
Yes, Lord.
Yesu moja di tuaka.
Yes, Lord.
Wadi shi moja enkasama ye. Niema basa ye bia. Ebema no hoso bio no. Ura ye mpa ebonti. Fache ye ne twam. Awo Jesus Christ ni mo. Awurade fa ye sie. No mo ye ho ban. Fa ye ne atiefo ne ye ma. Entwa enna kakraka ne wura 2022 mu. Awurade fa ne santo ye so. Ye de kropon hye wonsa. Ye de atiefo hye wonsa. Ye de okre hye wonsa. Ye de ahemafo ahemfo. Asofo, a teacher for, hairdresser for, tailor for, a driver for, Nasha was sa, one of told you and one of told sa, or maybe I shall sa, where Yesu Christo Dimu, ye qua ready for your good,
yes, Lord,
ye back for yebra, ye told my yento, ye clear my every free, I will yes to Dimu, what is moja and toya so, but any amount by now fee kwa ya, as soon gemu, na a toya the entra, yet was a damo, no kwa for no afraid, now one hour ye, Udina is a yenka, or yes to Dimunti, amen.
Time check in our studio once again. It's exactly 18 after 3. I wish you this is the most first drive, the most accepted, educative, entertaining, exciting drive time in the whole Ghana.
I'll sing it again.
Apia Montemu, Wokuapiman, Bible is summary. Say a chisel. Now to any and to be anymore. Sani a Shadrach in Meshach and Abednego dim paibo. Edin kunimno. And paibo Korea Daniel. A boy ye wadi a boy Madia Chino. And paibo Samuel Joseph. A compwasumu. Odeshiko piemu we fiase empaibo wurade sambre etienti no ye empaibo tiefo etie Joseph empaibo mani yi Joseph fiase emani be ye prime minister empaibo sambre Israel for boy asafu Yehowa tie on eye o ma pede de mo no Sampai ba samre Sarah a boy empai ba Abraham ene ne yere boy awurade wo domo oba no sampai bokro ya ne ya bo awiabre etu wasafu Yehowa samre womfa ye boni ntua ye boni so ka eso ne so woma ye tiase se ye popompo te center magofi e wo wo awurade wanim.
Kwame, let me say something here. Nebukadnezar ne bone nyina achi o se na me pagya mani hwe osoro se Nebukadnezar ne bone nyina achi o pagya na ne hwe osoro na nyame tie no
then na chese wurade won fa ye bone ye ncheye na wuntie ye ajapa endefuo baako edu na aka adechie bia ne emu nsem enro na me kasa asem we said 10 days here akai. Last days are always dangerous. Enti yanyere ye ho emmompaye. Ebi baka so wame.
Oh yeah.
Wano mu bibi. Say radio presenter CDS.
Yeah. Kwame, debi ameka se mi se me mama radio so ansan be hu nyame. Minim nansa na me ba.
Minim nyame ansa me wram.
Yes.
Anything na me person wutie me awiabere ni say when we sit here and we are saying certain things, it's not a joke.
I mean, what do you mean? Verse 7, you can see. So Herod called the visitors from the east to a secret meeting. Meeting beer equals to secretly against you and your children,
your family.
Yes,
your entire family.
Expose it and destroy them.
Amen.
So Kwame, this hour, very hour, no, critical, very, critical. I saw one penny for no, Carol's night, yeah. They should turn to Carol's prayers.
Critical, yeah. And Cabarista, see a bomb, yeah, see a 31st, yeah, near the Gura Festival. I came to tell you something this afternoon, say, Yenyan Kupon and Remy and Munguasi, the Biarada, and so Rani the Abeba, and Muguasiani the Abeba, Ashiasiani the Abeba, Yariani the Abeba. Niama bebra ansem fata na beto. No more what God speak. Everything becomes silence.
Oh, the Elijah can say, medium wo nyame. me sana Elijah kan
that's right.
I say me Elijah there me wonyame kwame ababedu point say a Christopher nyina ye nyina ya to ba ha e bia wiase akodu no ase asa
frustration
ye wurade bia o man nsa so a ade nyina ye di
o Christoni ni sika o fi say urade ndo no
yeah
so Christoni ntoka papa bi na mu ye say urade ndo no
sem dia ka ndo me kwame
so Christoni eba enya aware pa urade ndo no so Christoni si dan ya nana o say urade ndo no
that's not it.
But that is not it. When you have life, Bible say, seek ye the kingdom of heaven first, and everything shall be added unto it. She shall uradi I kind na ni aka nyina no. Uradi de be kan ho.
Ni aka bia kwame ni ayaresa aware papa.
Obviously, I am too busy to pray.
No.
You get up in the morning, all you think about is money, money. Sikanti opiompa so bedu fi obeka say uradi me da se. Around the say we abedu fi akwa abo face or the nepe ni nimdie na de akwa adwuma abedu fi asundwe so.
I mean, if you are too busy to pray, always can't do empire. Seneka, papa.
God will also be too busy for you. The time that you are praying.
Yeah, papa. Everybody abo friend come on empire bill. Go to power there. Every Wednesday, every Saturday, he's there to pray. What do I say?
The boy.
Yeah.
Yet here me nyai kan and I make us work. I left my family at home.
Yeah.
BBC amu school ebe adwumam eti adwumam the whole day ewia me san call lunch nti me call ho ko hu me yere eni ni be gina adwuma yanim e de car man no ewura inside the next moment what did you hear?
Yeah.
This should tell you that we don't control the world and what happens within it. Liesi wa ye dada bra bom the boy you cannot change it unya magic
come to me.
What would you mean? I was where the we are syndrome now. You can't change what will happen within a day.
No.
It is only God.
God, nyame pe.
Ono pe no beti me interfere. No aka say no.
Yeah.
Me ma way and to me this year.
Kwame.
Sani ana eye sambre Job. Awurade ka say, my friend de hwesa ne kra.
The kra de.
Onfa wonsa.
Kwame, he is the only God who speaks to the shark and the shark listens to his voice. Or catch Jonah say Jonah compose ni yam and the normal circumstance bozu hu nipa o mene no
obeka no no akunu no
yes
just obe say no
yeah obeka no obeka no mu
but we dey ya mene want to yam
amene no
it doesn't happen
and at the right time no Yakobon masa bozu no aba the shore of the sea ebe fin to hono mo ogro ho a uni nyame a ebe mene ho uni nyame a ebe mene asase be mene ho
Awurade
Lord be mene ho
Awurade wo hu
na ka chere be mene wadwuma no be mene sika no ye be mene aware o ti ase ye be mene wo ma mene ka chere o enti so on hwe sa Yakobon no wo sa tumi no a God of all possibilities on hwe no a we mobo
obisi is there anything that is bigger than me bibia ni wono maso sin asafu yo
yeah come here obi o tie awie o kan Psalm 91 awie ho no mo a o se se o fam me meje wo na ma hyewa no nyam na ma kire o me nkwaje
that's right
o se se o fam me meje wo enti Christopher e fam Awurade o han be ba to be je
I came to tell you something this afternoon say 10 days here okay watch out if you don't pray
yeah
what the agro eya woda agro bedi me say 10 days here okay me the boy me nya sofo me nya difo me na sorry bia no but 10 days here okay
yeah
I tell you something
come here I organize prayers I give it to my people and they follow cause remember 10 na metia I pray for me come who dey want me kokra mo bi mo mpa ni bi
me say 10 days here okay who did di agro
bedi si bosu be mene o ba me wadwuma
it is time you pray. Yes, sir, what to baha? Yes, sir, what bodam? Ya bodam ma Nyankopon 10 days here okay. Ya bodam ma dia ma wi asensem esisi ayente ase. 10 days here okay. Brother, sister. Sawusu bebo madia de wonsa so da mini fama ye ko ma trafa akwa. I am telling you, you are joking. Bible ni so suru ahemamu ye ko ho abranso obi twini kase bibi ya abranso a enye fedi agro eti sa woti wona wo de wonya wadwen se wobema empaibo aka wabrabo ho wobema empaibo are a part and parcel of your life. Sister, brother, you are making a very big mistake in this world.
Great one.
Why? Edian and I do Rashim. Edian and a Samira would do one. So be busy as for your one. Bosom conform no the man who call and I conform no. Conform we know. Powers and I then. But Nyankopon, let pastors and pastors die. The archbishops and the prophets die. We still have a living God.
Hebrews chapter 5, verse number 7. Hebrews 5:7. Or see, in his life on earth, Jesus made his prayers and requested with loud cries and tears to God, who could save him from death, because he was humble and devoted. God heard him. Yesu Christo graba transaction kwame wanfa mpaibo eni agro. Hebrews chapter 5 verse number 7. Yesu be transaction no wanfa mpaibo eni agro. He was devoted and he prayed to God who can save him. And it ye call last minute nyame bi obetumi age yen bansere ntome nyew
David
konko bi nyew
de ne betimi ajo
container bi ntome nyew
de ne betimi
dan mititive na me hwa akwan
usika betimi ajo
mititive na me hwa
akwanchire betimi ajo
yesi fa achechide achi bra Yesu moja kura amoa na achechide achi Yesu moja amoa achechide achi
why na boss ani me nyina ye ka ho asemi no what there for me go Genesis I say in the beginning God
created
why na boss ani me nyina eniema na ewo mu ni nyina why na boy
dozi gwami oboss rest as you know the niema na man ni pass on to ne din enti achechide ne kwa Nyankopon betu aka say onimu no it's as Adam the two ne din
asa wo ye adwuma wo okoma a ye nim wo ayi so
ye nim ha
why ra
achechide no Adam the two ne din Nyankopon the two ne din or the two me ne man no say wo to din enti achechide na akwaji
enti so say wo say wo de wo wire akoshe bibi fufurom na nya awurade a eye wan. Because what kind of Genesis? I say God created heaven and earth and created everything within it. I say, and we no bo nipa no homi go nipa ma nipa be your krati asefo.
Yeah.
And you make Bible in a kind. You are just there thinking, say, everything is all right. But I'm telling you, nothing is all right. You are just there. Who feels say utimi sorry eko didi, utimi sorry ko nu musuo, utimi fa phone, efrobi, utimi ko bank, eko tro eyi sika kese. You are a joker.
I no be sorry I no pay ni sika akoyi na be adwuma no wan fa ba ko.
Say eno na ekoyi.
Yeah, wan fa ba ko.
Entino, let me tell you, that money you have in that account cannot save you.
Kwame, ayi we ma quotations ne ba.
Wa won fa wukuta nana. I came to tell you something this afternoon. Sir, the boy, if you are in my position to see an entire family
going down
just a day.
You understand what Proverbs chapter 3 verse number 5. I say trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Verse 6. I see in all your ways, acknowledge him, for he shall direct your path.
Prophet, I say trust in the Lord.
Proverbs 3 verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding.
Not just a want to see. And I make one something, Nana. See what to me if you abandon doesn't mean that you control your movement, you control yourself. And then me no can say, Obi and number be quite so we're just crying every day. We're crying for almost 10 years. That could pay a dabonemano or not crying suano BBC. So Nyamiya wadum na otimi ko baby ba ebedu asumdwe so a it is just by the grace. It's not that you are too handsome. And yes I won fedodo and yes samre wo sika dodo and yes samre wo fie abusuan papa mu but I adum mi and na Nyankopon de adum o ejeba ne sana. Why then don't you say God thank you? So one mompire an kan che urade say urade me da wase a share the Lord's prayer. I say, our Father,
who art in heaven.
Yeah. Hello be thy name, thy kingdom come. Yeah. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses.
as we
have forgiven those who trespass against us, and lead us
not into temptation. Lead us not into temptation. Yeah.
So what kind of Bible now? You understand so many things.
For thou is the kingdom, the power,
and the glory forever and ever. The boy, people don't know. Yen ni enis washe. Yenis washe pa. Ubo prema, misumi bo prema. But I sat one day and I asked myself, said, ne, what? I find a woko. Obi say, oh, you are too young to think about that. Abamunoti. The dance where they.
Anybody who says he's too young to think about that, Jesus Christ was 33 years old when he died. And Obisu Trans 969 years. Yeah.
So it is about prayers. And Crophobia wa brabo. If you know yourself, what you baby nanka the next 1 month and not just 3 days near what anymore you will cry. It be was short life cry we are saying. It be pokra me I have a short life.
I don't know.
I don't know. It takes prophets, it takes seers to tell you. And today, and Paiba me bo esan say, Senia Abrantia Lazarus.
Yeah.
A do say Sasan Kowu. Asambre or bomb paye. Esufe Radeno. Every Jane so tuning quandem no. Some Paiboni be nada me sorry, I'm a bomb rade. Say, I might have a short life when I was coming to this earth. Membria be our man wa brabo imu etia. But I would have me position says here. Mammy content.
Yeah.
Not do me answer.
Yeah.
A yes, sir.
Yeah.
It is sometimes oh when you grand woe. Oh, as a mess you. Oh. Yes, see, ye mo jato. No nimuye. Onimnientia or boy, and onim dukudientia or the boy. Etia basasi suno. You might not know your future. You might not know the next 3 days what is ahead of you, but God knows more than you think. And we are brave. Me say the next 10 days, the boy. I am particular about these days, Aka. I don't know why, but that is me feeling. From Onra,
say number beer was a tre. From 20 to 30, you know, 20 to 30, which church we year, Kwame, enough 20 to 30. We say your golden jubilee, your way. 20 to 30 year, 20 nangas and 5 star 4. What I say? No, we 20, and from 20 to 30, no, 5 2. And you ask yourself, which we say there are even numbers, odd numbers, yeah. What I say? Yeah, 4 menu, even numbers. And a 5 menu. What I say? Odd numbers. Odd and even. Serious. Very serious, very dangerous.
Near Kosono, what you might take it how you want it. So what the bedi agura wo. So Obama when you swap brea wo.
Yeah.
And you tinibi no more boy. I say me ma be me dia wie me ko.
Yeah.
Me wie ma grudi. And na ebia me no mo kasai ni ebesi ewo mani minim mi jama awurade metimi ada ade ebechi memere be sokra na mi ni ha eno no awurade. But as I sit here and I know a living God that I serve, me na minim baby a mi gidie ene me wire hye. I was born a proud Methodist member, a grandson of a catechist. Into me, I don't know any other thing apart from God. Say and then nana, it just said me can't as a phone one more faster than me ready. And I'm saying this on radio, on a tape. Near ready pen say be a meba bayano, e be an asu. And my year Esan is a minimum semi young coupon me summono. Say Emerene Soya, they will try, it will not work. Problems will come. I will not shrink and I will not lost. curses will come. Because I know I serve a living God, nothing can happen. Once way. Ujidi shadi emu. Bansere ketu ebi no. Ujidi sha motona wedi ni mu. Ujidi shadi emu. I am sorry. Wo deceive you. Maka inim yenchi wonwom bi. Ma me mo nwom no na tie nwom no mu asempa yie. Na wotie sa anwom no asem yie a, you will understand where we are coming from. Anwom no title ye moja kronkron. Now I came to tell you something this afternoon, brother, sister, and now any abushia mu tie me baby amu wo bia no. Kan kwa kuma to yam. But the 10 days akai koswa fa ho e share brother sir. Esa ne say ono no nim enne ene ye china asem. The boy.
Yeah, go
wo bibi ka bi o.
Na wo ka se bi na atwe ma adwena ba wo bottle bi wo bibi erade achi no bibi ani wo bi o. Yeah, erade achi no bibi bia eni wo ebi o. Ma hu konfo aka akohwe ase obo Yesu din. Yeah. Na waji bibi na water free. Ecclesiastes chapter 6 or say 6 verse 9 or say it is useless. Wa bansere akwaje no. Ecclesiastes 6:9 or say it is useless. It's like chasing the wind. It is better to be satisfied with what you have than to be always wanting something else. It ni nkwa na wo no eye akwaje bibi meka ho. Wa akwaje eduro bi de ton ade. Wa akwaje insu bi a wo pete wo ho. Wo te ase it is useless. You nyakopon ba akopɛ. Peter said one God, one faith, one baptism. Nyame ba ko na de ho ato no so. O presby na akɔ no so nyame mu yie.
Yes.
Methodist akɔ so nyame mu yie. Pentecost so nyame mu yie. En so nyame foforo bi. What you say? Kwa me mete yi CAC for omo founder Apostle Anim the band na da men say. What you say? Men kan say ono na bo me ho ban. But ne wa be ye na ye me fe. And I like it. Me yure nhyɛ ne mu. What you say? Mama jeje bandes akase e bi tare nkrofo ka mu, e bi kale nkrofo an, e bi kura awe. E bi Bible say it is useless. It's like chasing the wind.
Daba yentie nwom no na me wrap it up.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Masala no pacha simbi mami wetwimi.
Okuma Radio.
Okuma
Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Masala no pacha simbi mami wetwimi.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nanso anatuya no dinna sima unfofro twami. Da o mujijese. Esuma no koponi upai.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nanso dinna sima unfofro twami. Da o mujijese. Afide wenya bamfo. Okura bansiri. Ukura bodia, ukura motuku maybe. Da wanya ni the source. Afide wanya bamba for papa.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Be a trauma first we share fire for no.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Kasi anatuya na wasu kume bi plani trumpense shia. I knew what you were about from. Wasum wakwa kwa the team. See anatuya na wasu kume bi plani trumpense shia. I knew what you were about from. Wasum wakwa kwa the team. Now some pa ana mamuganza yes.
Oh yeah,
Yamfesika momba yabata Asimuni mse Yamfesika anajite Anadia probi na tomu Umechana msupa mponi ya edita mnumu Oh wajidi fuwa moja Moja
And I say God is good. Josephine Kujo. Aye boy bano michiao. Na michia aye boy yani so. Ya wo ye ma endra no nyame shapa. Afe mi mama de enchia Obapa cuisine and the governor. Ewi ablay. Lunch no na nye bad cry. I really enjoyed it. Nyame shira mu bebere Obapa cuisine. One it governor. Beda masi bebre. Golden Boy G also powerful word. Kwabena Aye Majesty also powerful. I will show it to me on joining on Facebook Live at Okoma Radio 97.1. YouTube here Okoma Radio 97.1. And for Twitter here at Okoma 971. Instagram here at Okoma 971. It's exactly 44 after 3. This is the most exciting, entertaining, educative, informative drive time. You're from in an aquarium, Perry. Uber to me from the finance, the member you know catch you enemy. My mama the fast that I can send for my Victor. I hear that Colisto. I am a producer, the Majumedi. I feel I said I can send command and now damn ya. Obaba called them Memedumo. I feel I said a brand pa and come my brass Sammy, aka DJ Donzi. I am your official DJ, my chief technician, any social media manager, your friend DJ Ziggy B. I know that somebody who call Facebook Live, any Twitter, Instagram, your social media handles in our Wabomadia. Effort to make the live from our for a word, Chili Penchain, will be a Timmy Tiobi. Now, we'll call Ohio, Cincinnati. Your four Bafo Sirico Agirakwa. What's the wood to your pa? I heard live. After New Jersey, so you're from Victor in Perry, my senior brother. What's it 247 over time in Quadia? Who follows? All right, thank you so much. Afro, you're from Felix Town, so hey, Abushia, I don't know when you're brisa. All right, but that's it. Yes, go in Perry. We are going. No, I got any marketing. Actually, Nyamipa, every craft village you honor no. There's going to be a very wonderful ceremony, or I'll be there as your official MC. Hey, to watch out, every I'm coming. May Papa. Every craft village war. Nyampa Trade Minister Beba and Pengini Bebri. Happy to be the official MC. I'll be there. So watch out, every. It's exactly 46 after 3. And of course, another exciting moment is about to hit your radio. This is 97.1 Okoman Radio, transmitting live from Ekropene Krapin Berry Machumihini Memorial House on the Kufu Road, opposite the Parliament Spot. Unsabeka Okoman Ewoho. Ebusianopa ewia enyumre say yoda. This is how I welcome the show.
Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio. blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Darling, what's your problem? I can't count them. I wanna say where Gino Pianino. Darling, what's your movement? I can't count them.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Standing fan, gas cooker, anger, political, room divider, why never paper, Ben Kumadaka toy, why never swear your mammy, Ben Kumata defeat, why never see your mammy, standing fan,
Okuma Radio 97.1.
room divider, why never paper, to radio station, so a woman I am upon a Grammy, so a woman I am upon a Grammy for a handsome reward. Jamakasa me a road class. Jamakasa me a crocodile. Make a report to radio station, so a woman I am upon a Grammy, so a woman I am upon a Grammy for a handsome reward.
Okay, catch me come here. In Amoku, you make me tell the way in Amoku. No hate we love it, no hate we. Mini bona, mini fiapo, can mommy animal tete. She was studying and you can test him. She come a day nearby.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Namasi me does what he said. Man, no one can make a for me called off person. Nelson, on baby, according in on baby, she back on in a guess, Mama Joe, Lala Yang, Bahote, the guy, Nibi Comedy of your guys, boy, Comedy of your guy, Mama Canada, Comedy of your Baba, boy, dear, you Chanel, the day now, woman, go and play.
Darling, what's your problem? smiling was your movement. A bear can't count them. I want to say, where Tino be any home. Catch them, yo. My fashion mode.
Okuma Radio.
My fashion mode.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
My fashion mode. Megan Obama.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Catch them, yo. My fashion mode. Catch them, yo. My fashion mode. Megan Obama.
Do a men comeda. Want to see a man come fra. Make up to a man that is in the radio. Or do for them. Do a man comeda. Want to see a man come fra. Patch me on. Or on a patcho. Here babo. No baby kwana mayo.
Okuma Radio.
Your baby kwana mayo minye shibio. Here babo. Your baby kwana mayo minye shibio. Patch me on.
Okuma Radio.
Say what pay me Peso me move. Say what do me Embo me who. Say what pay me Say what do me
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Peso me move. Say what pay me Embo me who. Say what do me
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère Miyaro. Munti Okuma Radio da.
Hello guys, it's your girl Ayona Renee. You're listening to Okuma Radio 97.1.
Okuma, take it for some.
Your friend me Grace, Okuma Radio, you are the best, number one. Apara Mountain, so Chedi Kamfo, Yenshiamwa, Ekebebe, Ruta, we are fantastic.
Abrama Maneka says, Mommy's joint back up. I'm for a Kufu room. Okuma Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okuma from my bank and you. Kenya cry, must say the beer. You know how grow cry, no poor you are not true. There should be a only size what.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
I can't even live without you. The night is cold, run up at the mill.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Let's go.
Meja kase Okuma asofua ti mo wi ti e to bar to bla papa.
We are blazing.
Mama bravo asisa. Ohunita aswogayana mamfa. Enamfusa mama bravo asisa. Akawasumi buye tumepia mbele.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
If you sawewe, you yanko, na ketre. Odebro, my baby. You yanko, na ketre. I'm going crazy. Anytime I think about you, my wifey. That I know my one. Who's gonna take good care of my baby? I am going crazy.
Okuma Radio.
Sasa mekate mimi pia ukubwa yefu ni jaji yote. Okuma yenso ni na power.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Okuma Radio kumedama sepa me matwe na meka se mensaka makoko na adwuma den ne me homode nga me bo Okuma Radio mensaka makoko Okuma Radio aba mo gap na ngapa Radio yedama
Yo, Okuma FM. Why yourself? Professor Jan Edu and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio back up and open to Bia. Into Babia, Okuma FM 97.1. Ha, we
Sir Dennis near Okuma 97.1. Offering different hour where to choose your friend and check Okuma Radio back up.
Abraham Maneka say, Mom's joint back up. A man for a kufu. Okuma Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okuma from my bank and you cry. Must say that you are. Me don't have rock cry. No poor you are not true. There should be an issue. Only size what.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, Debianitie Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. Debiatie 97.1. Okuma.
So that I'm in the car. I do what you would have put in the maker. The bidder, don't put them into me. So that what it for no, for you, and I'm in it. I do what I need. It's in the most you are in Billy. Yeah, most you are in Arnie. It's in the most you are in, most you are in.
Nana Jua Ekropon, Debianitie Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. Debiatie 97.1. Okuma.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah, so what did you try that? Where we have been before us here. There are Okuma Radio, and when young, they can say, bring out you, in the camel, when I'm so.
And the boy, yeah, boy, but some man, take the road friend, when you're not we have something in common. When you're not I am my son. One never be our kind. Actually, I want to need to dance. Say, Betty, being, yeah, I can say, don't ask. You won't answer. Command them, you're tabloid. Sunny and penny kind. Was it fear? Command them, we are 80 or command.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nam fu best in me. Nam fu pokra me kwere me. Me be so be atira me. Me day me
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Me be so be atira me. Me day me
Assalamu alaikum Okuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon frère Miyaro, Munti Okuma Radio da
Okuma Radio 97.1.
July, I'm a birthday. On the body, the Papa could post and him some money go to me. We want to send good not to me. Or to travel, no matter what. Put me come once and one it does. It's a flower for him. Who's a all parliamentarians and musicians are invited to our wedding. We get the flowers on him. Who's a crophobia? All parliamentarians and musicians are invited to our wedding.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
We will go home to our old.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
From Liberia, Jaga, Nigeria. Hey man, I see it, I see that. I like it, I like that. I want it, I want that. Okay, make me know, come on, me know. Me the cry, me the Tiona, got problem things, strings, them things. Your way, what about for me? She can't hear Bamba. No one, go, I lay back. Galatun, Galato, you were fair. What was you were fair? You go on the Jamaican. Double, a handle, if you're on your tiny, you're going to your 20, if you're on your own, you're 20. That's their name.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Run some things, they break some things.
Run some things, they break some things, they rain on things.
You must run some things,
Gada.
they break some things.
Big brother.
You must run some things,
They break some things, they run some things. Visit Amorita, visit Arena. Younger inside, younger inside. Visit Amorita, visit Orita. Younger inside, younger inside. I am here, younger Eja do wo ahimbrom. Eja do media Joe 5 enye 2. Na me mama de enjia aye Don Pablo Pop. Bibi. Would it Mrs. Pablo? Any Jagawan. Monye aye mo 5 for baby amu obia. Na Abushia. It's exactly 8 after 4. One send your mission, say, you know, one after the other. Emma will feel your filano. And that the MSC radio, no. I buy a baby or home. I buy a piece so better than Casa. To the pa. United, right? No, okay, now we're you.
And we will go home to our old girlfriend.
I'll go to my old girlfriend.
We will go home to
our old girlfriend. Run something. Now, mommy, mama, the engineer on your young for Mr. Richard Foley. Okay. Famomo, 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 famomo. Give it to them, give it to them, give it to them, give it to them. Chim your stomach, chim your stomach. Wind it up, wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. Famomo, 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 famomo. Ah, nigga so, nigga so, nigga. Abapa cuisine. What do you have for more ate? Now me momo di enchia ejumayefo amu see for see. Homeopathic. Doc. And come on ayache. Yenye ma. Afe mi chiada see o de ma Nana Tachi ababites. Nana Kofi Tachi. Ahine bibi abakore. Na mi chia jumayefo nyina mu Nana Tachi ababites. Manager still ya to say eri adwumayefo aka nyina afa mi mama di anchia necessary amowo quarters mi chechi amu bibi abakore na fa mi chia necessary amowo mampon mamu orthopedic Equiapem Community Hospital Munyina mi chechi amu ho na faminchia eye adosu fo nyina mi chechi amu enko apasare tinkon okrasefo ite say kofoidia efe kofoidia trom aye boy woni Josephine mi chiamo ene samre wadofu nyina na femi mama di enchia yanoma menimu kasemu woko fodia zongo mamu wo hwehwen afidiase ani mama di anko eye Morovia mamu Capital View area nim mi chechi amu nyina sabi bia boko woko fodia de afa meche ko fodia fodia mame mra nkurakan asese wafo nso nie mi chechi amu asese wa mamu won nkurakan mi chechi a botifo nyina samo ho ya de afa memra na mi mapiem ewo nyame be kire God will show nyame be kire mi chi omo na mi chia aya amanfromfo Chumgwa asofo Deusamfo Ene samre mu amuwo emiamia wo ho nyina yensifo Yechiamo Ni amra asrema people asefo Mesi Edukrom di amami mama di enchia Ahuna bobirmosu odunja otutu ababi odi fifth Edukrom hene Ene owo abrempon awo kurama Ni fahima ni Edukrom hima Nami njia Edukrom odra planning committee for Nami miso omo se omo te say Eti mi ko oduro numa jeme so Oduro Edukrom oduro on the 26th of December 2021 all road leads to Edukrom Equiapem na busia okohwesa ni as town ni waya she okohwesa ni branding ewo on point you don't need to be told that this year Edukrom odwira no ebeye krabehwe Edukrom kwata wurakpa Kofi Labi wura ni Kofi Labi wura mose akra ni ebedi ebeyum aton samre Edukrom hene osu odumja otutu ababi odi fifth owo abrempon awokurama aye nifahima ani Edukrom hima aye Edukrom odwira planning committee adi Edukrom odwira 2021 ebreye na nyame pa 26th no Empeni Berose General Cleaning Bakoso Efe na nyumre ni a gospel rock show Monday a public sanitation on COVID-19 afei health screening so ebekɔ so afei na nwumre ne kakra no ebo ba say 3 pm a empani bebo modia kɔdɔw kwan a wɔde kɔfa ogura no eba no ekyire kwan a wɔfa so ɛde kɔfa odwira no ɛde ba no afei ni Tuesday Osuodumja road safety eye campaign no ebeba so and also no eye 8 a.m. afei na wi abre no be say 2 p.m. yebeba madin akofa odwira no so e de aba na Wednesday odwira empani bebo madin tenase aka busuasam ne na yie no empanyini ahwede ato yie ewa fiafim afei Thursday 30th December 2021 Osuodumja otutu ababi odi 5th ebesrasra edehye eni abrempon won afiafim enso a what the from competition no any odwira alewa black and white no ebehye so awiabrenu afe efiada Osuodumja otutu ababi obebo eyegwa kakra na empanyini bi awato nsafro won abamu yeno ma samre eba suahunu ahodo bebremu a omanya suahunu woniema bebremu Osuodumja ne omo betena ase nwa bobo wadukroman ho ebobo nifaman ho akase okuapemante ase afe inter-school competition cooking competition and so beba so Saturday 1st January ayo odwira Asinema Falls games, you know. Nanumre ni odwira street jams and musical concert with lot of artists passing through. Sunday ni interdenominational Thanksgiving service. Nanumre ni odwa edidi. Abushia kaisa afi. Edukromo odwira ni shase 26 December. Akosi aya January 2nd 2022. Ojro Edukrom pata wura pa Kofi Labi wura ni Kofi Labi wura mase afi Edukrom odwira ba ye demoro so enti frobi no bi su frobi na ka cha ne say what a party day ADK baby wow come on, na fa trouble. Come on, na fa trouble. Come on. Give it to them. Come on. Yes, and a Target Tuesday afternoon. Hey, abrane kwabra for da. Na Peace Montessori mpani for se me no ka asem da bi. Wodi mu se emre sesa. No wasesa ho bi. Emre dane ana so wada no ho bi. Peace Montessori mpani for se me kan che adofo. Ade hye abrempon. Aka adamfo asamre mutie kasafidie yi. Se wo ba ni school no okono. Wo bomadi ehun se sebe not enko ye akwala ni resource ne kura no ema obosofro akwala who be saying say what is my name I say what is my name is asosa obomadian pesuku a enkwala do makoma pon so school assembly eba nkwala ntete a omu suaduru suahunu ni abodin krata bebere na school ba ko amekanfo ade ama osamre aye Peace Montessori wo kropone kwapem wo environment aye conducive for studies essence wo good access road me no kasa omu san wo school bus baby akwala ni bia no mbekwa akofa no de naba wo hostel junction ekropon wo fa shoe fabric quantum pon so a won sabeka Peace Montessori wo ho abusuamu right opposite Impressive Colors one teacher, 12 students in a class from 050-5829-261 and 020-0177-676 and 0279-267-523. Peace Montessori. I say one teacher, 12 students. Na Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. Semin Kancha the phone you say about local and continental dishes. I will be a serene environment. Baby, you could have special grounds. I want 2 event centers. A sense of what but more customers. Baby, a summary atmosphere no a charge for business. Baby, a summary. Wash your home security wise, you are safe. Baby, I'm your point to kill. And one in Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center where we are Mampo. Anglican Down Police Station no quantum poniswa. Kaisa Wednesdays and Fridays bia. Jazz music, alcohol, and if classical music. Friend Penny was 0243 277-576 0243 277-576. Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. I say Bomodia. Never experiencing a event center with a class. Okay. 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 Favor. Give it to them. 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 Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System 24/7 Chiao. Nebushi Amin Kanjao say, Whooper baby Abenya sound system. Lighting system canopy. In Kongwani tables. And on stage. Eddie do to me dear Pia Pesa Woody. Say a wedding engagement. A year. Announce a party be. Penny birthday party. Announce a corporate party be. Mama the answer button Sadia for Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System 4. Abushia, say you're floating away, yeah. Bomadia, so I bet Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System 4 on Bema line to Papa. Now, you say you like pub and restaurant, and so ever what? So, would you Kongwani tables in the canopy? In the area with the barrier, almost on my crowd of some Madomo. How much you call man for your capim? What baby ever flow Gigi Susuno from 0275 042594 0275 042594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. I say Bomadia na jitu musobema ojumedie ni nyina eki ko na ejapoye Michiao Bema ensi shomu ansa wahram Ejapoye dia wo dia wo ye champion ba akopɛ senia yegusu echiawi se bro nyaso ejapa woma ye twense obesuma adu anana na kwame no obesra ye ejapanie wodi ye nimni a wutimi ye wagro penhwe enti nanani nyame ahira bebre ejapaye nie na ejapaye construction and general merchant penny for seminchiao na min ka jo say eba quarry blocks 5 inches and 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and 6 inches hollow blocks 5 inches and 6 inches se wo pe eye abo ewo tipam ana rhinom ana open wo kotokom ana se wo pempo ewo eye hepam wonsa ebeka bi ejapoye se bibia the fa building materials won de wonim se pie mantem a ni titiri ni okwapemamu obia tu chepafu pa ono no ye ansa omo aka ni ye bi ena ejapoye nso no esane akomapa ne adwempa asamre owo nti wabu afufuro bebre mo mapejo mo dan ten ye yan se ubedi no krade ama ho Ejapoye wɔ binding wires. Ɛwɔ iron rods. Menu kasa di nsu a yɛde kɔ site. Ejapoye betimi ama ododo no. From 0244 719814. Ejapoye bejo so 0244 719814. Ejapoye ewa live band nso. Enti say we birthday party. Adore. Eye dwumadie bi a wudi bia no. Tonsa frɛ no. Ewa 0244 719814. Ejapoye construction and general merchant na adansifo adamfo. Abushia Don Pablo Pop Mpani for Seminchiao. Pro Nyabri the parties. Na 25th enche beba. A boxing day. South of Phobi Cho, the Phobia, the Miran himself, don't the betchem bibia. Enti Abushia would cheer me. Don Pablo Pop said parties are who do a becosu a fear femino. Mama Marianton Safromo. It's an measure with fresh shakes. Strawberry shake, banana shake, mango shake, snow white shake, carrot and mango shake, carrot and banana shake, mixed fruit shake, mango, carrot and ginger shake, virgin snow white shake. Abushia about wine shop on Swa. Menu Kasai Don Pablo Pap will be. Into wine being local or continental and a foreign wines. Wonsa Ebekabi. Wawa Mandela Junction and a Christ Junction. Wonsabeka Don Pablo Papua from 0557 734882 0557 734882 and a 0552 302607. Don Pablo Pap. Also with the Abamadi Abra. Nabajo fresh shakes in town. F2 Ventures in Penny Force. So what per bridal collections are. Any baby ever bombardier cakes any catering service on Quadiamawa. Fabedan F2 Ventures. FHA. More F2 Training Institute. About bridal farm fascinator. Balloon decoration. Your money affair. From 1059 5273783. 059 5273783. Wawa Mandela Market opposite Ekopone Krapem. F2 Ventures. I see you don't need to be told. It's an say ahonfe yeton was store. Akuma radio say yemen to the phone na se bro nya bere. Se wo atosode. Ana de tondi bi apasa foforo ete wonka. So we be a store kuma bi. Ana se me no ka say. We be a restaurant be. Choba bi. Joint bi. Na apasa foforo ete wonka. And sorry ketwani akase. Schools. Afa mosu asamre ye yenkai bo mo pese ye mamo. Mo fresh 0246 4355565 0246 4355565. Akuma radio fry anopa ewia enwumre. Ye bebo modin ajoso. Esane say ye tie. Ye hwe. Ene ye kasama okuapeman. Na Divine Life Ministry International say yemen to adofo nyina say on the 30th December for the Women and Youth Empowerment Conference in Bashisha so wa ban anim. Mechire ohene ahimfie no okwape hene ahimfie no. Enim pe 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Na speakers in here Reverend Dr. Nicholas Aprelsian, PCG Peace Congregation Akropone Kapem, Reverend Mrs. Susanna Abonse, Praise Sanctuary International Ministry, Queen Catherine Inkum, our TV host was Togo Lome, a men's host, you know, a Bishop Yabampo Kwapon Akufu. I was here on the 30th. I got 9 a.m. go see 4 p.m. Bamadi answer when you be there, Shia. Not yet Divine Life Ministry International. Edi Shiamu Edia for Women and Youth Empowerment Conference, you know. When you share was here, it's answer baby Abrabona, you know. We here in Kenyan Sembi. Now what they are nante. Home and away bar, don't do not friend a Jadus bar. abusua me no ka say achi 26 December ashini nyina wo ho Ejadu did the first and the long awaited Odwa didi ana ekropon eteso no osan de bre ye bio wa himbrom na abusua ti o Frobi no bi nso frobi no bi nso frobi foforo no bi mfrobi sa no ka chane so odwa didi we kropo ne kwapem no eba so odwa didi we kropo ne kwapem eba so ewo ahimbrom Ejadus bar eye the mega love feast odwa didi and like band night ewo Ejadus bar na date in year 26 December 2021 time in 5 p.m. sharp Wubetimi afre Ejadu I was 0559 763609 for table reservation. Na kai say table no yebeton etu ba no aboa ho kakra kakra bi ana fresh 0559 763609 empanyi e de bo no ebe mu akama Woka Ejadus bar home and away the first ever mega love feast Odwa didi ewa himbrom ebe gidi na bronya bremi pe baby adwodwo me ho a bia ne ye baby ba akopa satisfy sounds away 7-star hotel baby Regionals Hotel and abushia me kan fu ade ama ho sabo madian fu ani kire ho na Regionals were executive rooms, twin rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms and economy rooms. Was also a swimming pool and a conference room and a restaurant open to the public as well. One of the fu betimi akotena we didi afa mo wadwen Woka Regionals Hotel abushia I see home away from home. It's an say a word from Rosso. What we do come kapem opposite the old district assembly. Okay. What do I need to a Kofodia Quine Swa? Was Sabeka Regionals Hotel. Regionals. I see home away from home. Abushia me koji abu phone krato aba. Na me koji krato ne ba abushia. Memu we feel wo radio so mro so I'll be right back. Ojro edukrom kropon du pon refer from te say ne yankonton frefre zu afi edukrom ojrei ebe ye krabehwe edukrom kwata wura be epeton enso ma wura wo kwen akra ne ebeda ebe yumaton kofi labi wura ne kofi labi wura mose ehuna bobirimo su odum nja otutu ababi o the fifth ye edukrom hene owo abrempon awo kurama eye nifahima ne edukrom hima edukrom ojra planning committee ne edukroman retonsa refer from te say ne yankonton frefre zu afi edukrom ojrei enhyehyaya empanyini ayenie okriya huebi brianafo 26 December empanyini ne omanfo besiesie edukroman mu ene ne mpotam mu enwumere na what the gospel rock show tumadi no nso ebehyehyɛ so kayo se saada na mankrado ne empanyini so bekwa akɔfa nwodwira no nso aba 27th na de chen health screening akwambo eno na enye bem ene ne empanyini so bekwa akɔbɔ kwan de atwen wodwira no na de chen no 28 osu odumnya safety campaign and afi odwira no empanyini bekopo mu asambre asokwafo ene asonkofo ibedi akiri no akofa odwira no edigaba na adegyen no 29th osu odumnya betena se na sambre abusuan aka wo asem Thursday 30th osu odumnya ene ne empanyini bebo moden asrasra afiafim ne fronton from competition so ebehyehyɛ so odwira alewa black and white float no so ebeba so saada na efiada 31st December edukrom hene ne mpanyini bebogwa saada na inter-school quiz competition and a cooking competition ebekoso on the 1st January 2022 odwira asrema 4 games no and also mpanyini edebehyehyɛ so sanso na odwira street jam kese asambre anyumtofo enso ebegina apaso abomoden dijumadi ni kwasi ada no interdenominational Thanksgiving service and odedidi ojro edukrom kropon du pon refer from te say ne yankonton frefre zu
chawadwo enkrofo yɛ timnyamo ni ma me de besi bi dan nyina na o ma ka chama me sei
Krachi adan wo yɛ hoho wo akwapem ha wonti Ejapa yɛ construction and general merchant in Ghana eba quarry block 5 inches and answer 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and answer 6 inches sana hollow block 5 inches and answer 6 inches tie sa wo pɛ abo e de asidan sa wo pɛ anya e de asidan sa wo pɛ nsuo e de akɔ side and answer binding wires eba building materials dia wontimi twa Ejapa yɛ construction and general merchant wonta esane se omo enema discount ewo ade bia wo beto bia wo ma so cement kura de enkoho water cement nu anansa miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery ubetimi afra Ejapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwari na wo pe ewo track mu anansa tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi open stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrɛw Ejapa ye ewo dew akwapem wo bendel filling station no ubetimi afra mo ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 kayo sa wo ya party engagement aye anase de biara wo ye bia wo nya live band Ejapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nnwom amo feel te Ejapa ye live band na wo beti ne de yie abushia wo betimi afre ewo 0244 719814 Ejapa ye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor 4 adam 4
money oh hey money oh
straight to the mountains once again. Home and away. The Mega Love Feast is live at Ejadu's Bar once again. Abushia on the 26th December. Yenina the Yenichre Ejadu's Bar. Ewahimbrum. Eye the first ever. The Mega Love Feast and live band night. Ebasuwo Ejadu's Bar.
Hey, Miniana, what's it then?
On the 26th December. Home and away. The Mega Love Feast and live band night. Ebasuwo Ejadu's Bar. Wahimbrum. Ekopone Kapem.
Wow.
Time you know. 5 p.m. Date in 26 December. Bra, Nani, Okuma Radio, Ejuma your phone, presenters, any DJs, Yenshemo. It's all about the Love Feast, Ebasowa Himbrum, Ejadu's Bar. Love Feast 2021 on the 26 December. Ejadu's Bar. Wow, feel.
Hey, wait a minute, I'm very mad. What did that?
Kayo, send you media, a free. And do Sikabia. Eti Kachobi, no Bisun Kanchobi, Eya Himbrum, a Honum Ejadu's Bar, a walk, a Honum the first ever Love Feast and live band night, bro. Epeye Pinso.
Happy people. Honey, ready my basa power. Just a word and I can answer pet baby. Who friends and Adrian for just MC Cranston Basa, be no catch up. I'm a my basa, me wuniam.
Middle Kawakuma to yam. Meaning happy entertainment, light and sound system. Ni you live pub and restaurant. Din komodada. Wedding, funeral, float, and answer parties are hudwa. Omutimishi she mediation kumane ya kono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, in Komwa any tables are over the Josopo.
Just say one and that will be a very imagine a
warning Eba stage crowd ya Wabema stage shunku and one happy entertainment light and sound system. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd said in Yanni Papa and in Papa, whatever wow at the amount. Woman fear crapim, Omo Bay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. And you like pub and restaurant. Omobama wedding no ayekiko. Hasani ano komata here was this.
Oh, I want my meniaji.
Happy people.
Mafia Krapim is at it again. Mafia Ohum Festival. Home Base Park on the 19th December 2021 at the Chicken and Beer Festival. Ebro, timing at 7 p.m. sharp. Kai, set 24th December 2021, 7 p.m. Yeah, the festival old and new school night. Ebro, festival rep your jersey. And only at 25th December 2021, 7 p.m. sharp. Afi, Mafia Ohum Baya Dashronko, Kanketisi, Home Base Park. Rational. It's an answer all your top
top DJs from Akuman 97.1 Ebeba sounds so now your favorite MCs Omunyina be passing through home base pop Manfi Ohum Festival Sakoto sa ebe taporo so
when peace like a river.
Honey, me wo ya busumi anani o. Ese se me san kwa adwuma. Na bom school papa be so me be mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwen hu o.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori, our accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asamre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no. E de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition, any care there. Wontimi omo wadamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye one wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. E ho de ni amate kra ne se. Wo hwe mu fra ye na teacher ba ko fa mu fra 12 me kire mu fra dumie mpe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori e wo ekropon ekwapem. So wo pese wo ne omo kasa e wo ahomatrofo so a. Ana se wogi nchemu bi afre number si 05058292661 ana 020017766 ana 0279267523. Peace Montessori ana.
Wadomo fra keke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
I say it is well.
Akuma Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Akuma Radio. Akuma Radio.
Anyway, Abushia, welcome back from that short commercial break. Nana Kwame and Ponce di Atenase. I did the latest and update in the world of sports, you know, Eddie Bray. Nana, me mo akwa ba bibia boko there.
Bibia kama.
Yeah, why the guy?
You channel. Are they? So no, no.
Na why no?
Right on. And you know,
I so.
Yeah, fine.
Hey, you know, says you know, my name is you say, listen, Abba.
Listen, Abba.
And go see say.
Go see say, no coach Milo. But name it 30-man squad. Squad no, maybe one wasam can by the China. Mabe coming how
right. You know, some ready for your corner for squad so to go for mine.
Right, Dokuman 97.1 and you mean so no good day with them. Yan Charanche, Bakumi, you know, Yan Fan Tuja na Fins no Huni Eko, Eddie Epa, Diamidin, and an Aquami and Ponce, you wait to my friend AK. Now just say Bibian so that my fine every year, my mincha mommy, yes, mommy, or Pentecost opposite, yes, we be a show in the finest, we be a OT show, no, and so her OT show Nina or Ton, you know, some Butiraka, or that's all Botina, no, Ton, no, Santi show, no, and so mommy, we heavy every year, no. Yeah. Oh, heavy. Auto dem means the one on him. And so Nana Kofi Okorajiman, Abu and 7 not made a bar writer, and so Obama Chidom now fin so 7 year at Timia, they are back straight away. A best as here. And they free the Black Stars of Ghana Kachi and a coach Milovan Rajabak and I same Afinsono, the Ghana Football Association led by Ket Edwin Simon Okreku at me the 30-man squad at the back. AFCON on say January 9th and then AFCON I shall see Cameroon. Now listening here goalkeepers in here goalkeepers and here call AFCON in here and you want 30 no you bet my son so now be 26 now feels yet to me and I call AFCON but listening here goalkeepers no Abrante and then Joseph Walcott it's in a kind and my Swindon Town and so no England sounds so now Abdul Nuruddin and so now Open Richard Atta had to folk Ghana, Sansona Lawrence Atizigi, St. Gallen, defenders, no, and so any Abrante and Andy Yadom, Redden, Nidin Ewumu, Sansona, any Abrante and Jonathan Mensah, Columbus Crew, Alexander Jiku, Strasbourg, Daniel Amati, Leicester City, Gideon Mensah, enso no ewa ye Grandes de Bordeaux France Abdul Babaraman Redden ono nso yidin atumi atodwa new sensation Abranten yidin Khalid Abdul Munim enso no Victoria de Guimarães Portugal ana afin so no Sakwadawe Philemon Bafo Dreams FC ono so ya kan one sem still omo de no ache squad no defenders ni defenders media tuja midfielders no Baba Idrisu Real Mallorca Spain Edmond Ado Sheriff Tiraspol Moldova Thomas Tepate Arsenal England Mubarak Wakaso yes ye Shenzhen FC China Mohamed Kudus Ajax Netherlands Samson Daniel Kofichire St. Pauli Germany David Abagna RTU Ghana also nidin mu Samson another new sensation Salis Abdo Samid and Sunel Clermont France also ni etuatonsa their friend wingers ni Abdo Fatah Shaku Dreams FC Samson Samuel Owusu Al Fayad and Sunel Saudi Arabia Abrantan ni Kamal Din Sulemana Rene France and I think so Andrew Dede Ayu Al-Assad Qatar Abrantan ni Ade Joseph Pencil and so Genk and so Belgium yet to me a friend attacker so and so ni Jordan Ayu Crystal Palace England Richmond Boachiadom Baita Jerusalem and yes you one of Bethlehem but Jerusalem for your from and so at me there about Maxwell Abekwe Great Olympics Ghana Felix Afinajan AS Roma Italy and I think Benjamin Tete Jemmy Matayaspor and so taking 30 man squad and Mrs. BM Joseph Walcott Sweden Town Samson Abdul Nuruddin Upen Richard Atta Hatefuk Eka squad and one goalkeepers Lawrence Atizigi and also Etima joining team defenders Andy Yadom Redden Philemon Balfour Dreams FC Abdul Babaraman Redden and so England Gideon Mensah Grandes de Bordeaux Samson Adena Amati Leicester City Alexander Jiku Strasbourg Jonathan Mensah Columbus Crew Khalid Abdul Munim and so Victoria de Guimarães and also Yatunsa other friend midfielders and Baba Idrisu Real Mallorca Edmond Ado Sheriff Tiraspol Thomas Tepate Arsenal Mubarak Wakaso Shenzhen FC China Mohamed Kudus Ajax Amsterdam Dutch Daniel Kofichire St. Pauli Germany David Abagna and so RTU Ghana Salis Abdul Samid Clermont France wingers Abdul Fatah Shaku Dreams FC Samuel Owusu Al Fayad Samson and Kamal Din Sulemana Rene Andre Dede Ramiayu and so Al-Assad and I feel so Branton Joseph Pencil and so Gang Samson and strikers Jordan Ayu Crystal Palace Richmond Boachiadom Baita Jerusalem Maxwell Abekwe Great Olympics Felix Afinajan AS Roma and I feel so Branton Benjamin Tete Jemmy Matayaspor Jerusalem and I say ni Turkey Yanson yet media about 30 man squad in ye yame pa best on so I feel so 26 28 Yanson yet media call me how our squad demo Philemon Bafo Dreams FC undeserved to be the squad. Let's face the facts. Finest. Your friend we're in the 7th time into the Black Star. 1 single minute or more and farmer Black Star. Into the performance then you know yet to me area fra Brantiano.
Ni local club no mobile.
About Dreams FC. But offering into the national team so about right. Now offering but now man back Ghana for do saying a share Dreams FC games. So they say Dreams FC bar on time share. But Black Star Air bar over share. International Black Star Air board friendly game umpo. Ni in fact Abrante map. How much more the AFCON? It's a friendly match. You know Komoro say bo. You find more. Ni doubt ni performance and I say ni abilities are. How much more the AFCON? AFCON is good. Yeah. It's this kind of squad. And another problem, goalkeeping position, Joseph Walcott, Abdul Nuruddin, Richard Atta.
Now you qualifies here.
Your friend Joseph Walcott.
So your womb.
But AFCON here kono. And certain Adam Kwarase with experience or one or join squad. Menkaso on number 1, but or join squad now.
Kwarase is still Ogusuchi active.
Active football. Now ya boy. Any squad in him. Ya boy in him. The new sensations about Abrante and and so
pencil.
Joseph Pencil, our bought from Tema Youth at the Europe. On what check cries and get friend that into the Black Star. But yeah, man opportunity into the Black Stars there. But they don't go African way. Uncle perform here, Becca wants them. But uncle your man opportunity. before this AFCON and you be the performance any of the bad
Messi no so wom
o Messi no yan
player ya qualifies the ojibo no dribble baby sabi
finish players be dribble ntino
okuta Muslim name bi
yo Abdul Fattah Ishaku yo Kamaldeen Sulemana Kamaldeen very good
ono na last match no Bobby ono na no dribble baby ono na South America no
ono so but Abrant and Dindi many aje adema David Abagna
our friend Christian Achu
that be
Achu
performance in all form
Abagna no
yes let's be honest all form
between Abagna and Fattah Ishaku no even player of the month from the man Fattah Ishaku no e say hwemu ye
David Abagna kwa nominating for the player
no kwame yesi obi ni mbo a jai
now finance on your offensive player but this season 8 out of 9 was say 8 goals out of 9 matches on your offensive player so
and goals RTU as no most of the assists if you no nchen sure o can say me say e bia RTU no bono one factor kwame yehwe bibi
ono no kan
ono me tell interview o say ni nti e bia player of the month yan hwe no na yan fi no e bia RTU no bono a factor but kwame unim RTU Korea na be the play boy at the age of 18 to rise by a star into Abagna memo na bamu mu de berada na Ghana mpanyifo ntie nsema players no eka as we speak ye ko fra akwa bia da na ye hwe ne match wa salisu den o say enya ade obeba ai o ye hwe ne match wa fantastic player o say enya ade obeba
Germany o two speed bebrebe ya Osha goes.
Yes, Nana Eddie justify one player. Me de na your sport.
Yes, player be so also yes undo team so undo sa level no.
Afinajan, Felix Afinajan squad no. I doubt so beba.
Simple wa ma. Yeah. Covid mo I see players in Ghana no. And a certain Obroni Oliver B be scout in Ghana. Covid mo I am mobile no. And Obroni bebe hu abrante no. And on the coy, or the coy, of course, setting AS Roma. Ama Jose Mourinho, I can't say, or the bench, Ukonako Shegoa, Metom Pabuacho, boy in the buyer, no free bench, but 2 solid goals. Emma Mourinho Chinese Papua, 800 euros, almost 5,000 Ghana cedis. Your players at the animal, and they pay you 40 parliament, ever boxing. Azuma Mokure Jai.
Finance minister, Mr. Finance minister, sports minister. And I want to
what you say?
Well, for Azuma techniques in Ibia.
Obi abasho boxing ogire ya no wa. Entuma to twede ba ko ya no.
Na di mo dia present sports presenter say na no muni asembia. Cuz am dia ne dia ba. And o maka. A certain day that you Kwame, about 50 matches. I feel no one goal.
No, Jordan are you
good?
Yes.
Jordan
are you?
I be play in the back second one.
No, in his last 44 games, was one goal.
One goal pen wash. Last 2 seasons, Kwame. Last 2 seasons, only goalkeeper. One goal. Alisson Becker, Liverpool goalkeeper.
But
one goal.
The boy.
And this season, wash one. Yeah, time the nako.
The boy. Jordan are you?
I'm I be play map. Ezu we mami. Mami ba papa ba $100,000 each. That is 3 billion. And that's 6 billion. You swim back 4
billion.
You swim back 4.
The boy, see, with Jordan are you, although he's not scoring, but also any contribution into the Black Star and also into the gamer.
I know that.
Yes, Entina.
Also, to me, create chances.
Yeah, for other people to score.
Then go share. I should go back.
But find it, maybe with our strikers, your strikers, ability from Jordan Ayew, Richmond Boachi Adam of late, and Sharon Tenenka, our top flight leagues in the Moye, and your friend into the Black Stars, and also in Sharon Emfa, Maxwell Abeke with Great Olympics, yes, 8 games, was just 7 goals, our local cinema, but your GDA. Our local players, when saying you able to start into the Black Stars, and I doubt say a best start now. Felix Afinajan, I doubt so Sambeba, and I say
I don't know what team be.
Oh, AS Roma, young boy, no, yeah, very young child.
Mourinho Tom Pabuachen.
Yes, Benjamin Tete, your friend into the Black Stars, but also about the contribution. From so these are our strikers are Yereko Afcon. So the more you score, the more you win. So I say, a man for Nigeria 4 bar, Algeria, a certain Riyad Mahrez, a certain Feguli, a certain Baladi, Almodi Omoba. With these players, I almost say goals.
Red Mares.
Other no experienced players.
Red Mares.
Nanka experienced players no we have a certain Wakasu. Wakasu squad no.
Last game or game power.
Yes. Jonathan Mensah our experience.
Okay, it's actually no.
Thomas Tepati our experience squad no. The likes of Baba Idrisu our experience kakra and so no our ho and you know Ubeni mu Andre Ayew our experience about in terms of leadership. Obetuma control boys, you know, on a field of play. Into no okawono ebeboa. But new sensation biaba Abrante Salis Abdul Samid or midfielder Sinakai or the French league animal or started ball an academy side for the Clermont team in all France. Oh, you invite you know you win the performance here as a nation. But they don't
it's why I say yes, Samoja.
Samoja they were in the career to be honest. We're football.
But I better catch you.
More football.
About one money at the bank.
Let be finest. Now say only more you share. As Samoja name to me more. He has nothing to contribute to the Black Stars in terms of play.
Nana, Eyampa, Samoja has nothing to contribute to Ghana football
in terms of play.
Yeah. Yet here, you say here, and a certain Rujamela. At the age of 40.
The boy, I will challenge you with Rujamela.
Oh, trouble I say. On you know about retirement. Born also move you. And a Cameroon qualified to World
Cup. And nobody the koi.
Nobody the koi.
Finance. Yes,
glass now walk in Namha. Glass now walk in Namho. You're talking about experience. Down here, me say, talk with a further interview or say, see, Glass now waku has team no is the only certain players be abaso. Guy has proven time and time over. Ofi Olympics we Olympics in them.
The boy with Asamoah no, you share the physical abilities, the strength, you know.
I'm down to the strength.
When's the last time? When's the last time?
You asking for the deputy captain?
The deputy captain, the day you know what Thomas Tepati the war deputy war. Listen, as a more than physical ability and as physical strength, you know, on to me from the Black Stars. After na you near break say
okay.
You near break.
Ghana play Red Mares. Algeria ni. Let me make my point. The last time on no share go and Algeria for the go money.
The boy me back.
When last time the
last time Asamoah Gyan ball game at the Black Star was in 2019 AFCON. And you can know free bench, you know, but because of the physical ability, now I can see it, I can see it, to American into a free bench, you know, but how much more 2 years down the lane? And then yes, and then
what was the last time who was Samoah Gyan?
The last time who was Samoah Gyan was last week, about 2 weeks ago. Olympics. Even Lagos City squad now, of course, I need more to play in the league, you know, last season. How many games no boy? Because the coach in the field say the physical appearance now just why can say
coach is a boy I said Sam Johnson. No, want to say Samoah Gyan. Sam Johnson want to say Samoah Gyan. For you was converted to become a striker.
Or a defender.
This is Samoah Gyan needs to be a striker.
Yo, I will see the show still goes on. You're from it and I call me very. Who went to be from the fighters? That was the sports update. Nana didn't the boy Mushiabiana radio no say. Okay. Enter the official drive talking about bro. But enjoy music on radio. Aquaba drive.
African woman, your love don't stain my body. African beauty, I want to see come give me sugar, come give me love, come give me sugar.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Come give me love, come give me sugar. Mede agbala mesemeka onia wo ye shakara jeja point na beli mafawola kokko this time around me ye raga what you say ya kobisa shamba obekire wo se mayo no yada what you say ya kobisa jeki wo wa mo fe oti na mayo no feel you me wa bo wa ajo abruwa kusia me fia ya se wa ma no wa ama tuma this wa any that for I ye be chide ya line now Miss Africa ye be say
Okuma Radio 97.1
yeah cool
African woman your love don't take my body doing African your beauty I want make you be my baby African woman your love don't take my body doing African your beauty I want make you be my baby Come give me love come give me sugar make you wanna come give me sugar come give me love come give me sugar make you wanna
I know that which is true. And my you know, it be no physical. Make and so, it be no what to croc, and I will hear I'm a betty, I'm a funny one. Of free hang, of free Ghana, of free hang,
Okuma Radio 97.1
free hang, or you my free Ghana. You demand him, what they tell Fredia, or down one bottom power. How did she have you full hour? I allow said to let one yada. This so from Obama and I would. We are
African your beauty, I want make you be my baby. African woman, your love don't take my body. African your beauty, I want make you be my baby.
Okuma Radio 97.1
sugar, make you wanna come give me sugar, come give me love, come give me sugar, make you wanna African woman, you my boy, your love me, African beauty lady, won't you be my baby? African woman, oh your love go kill me. Sweet Ghana beauty lady, won't you be my baby? Everyone here, everyone here, I want you to me. Samura, then you know when I'm not my young boy.
Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Radio 97.1
My feel what did that? Tell me who wanna be boo back. And I dream out to us some dead. My feel what did that? Tell me who wanna be boo back. And I dream out to us some dead. No matter to them, I teach her in home. Tell me, baby, I'm a man, son. Let's see when you miracle.
Okuma Radio 97.1
Let's see when you miracle. Said the good thing, 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 said the good thing. Okay.
Okuma Radio 97.1
Said the good thing, said the good thing, said the good thing. Okay. Oh, Papa made me see a dear Sammy and Sabbath dance here. Who's if you sit up with your papa, no one am an answer. Me who Galisna, and me who starts from so much about the hold on, my man, and I can remember your mother. Oh la la, Surokotom Pine, Tinapinti, Yankikamba. Oh la la, Surokotom Pine, Tinapinti, Yankikamba. So to Don, my Lucy,
Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Radio 97.1
See, me share me fiancé. Me bet day or no name me fiancé. He say, she say, me tell so I don't care. On Pobio no be what she me was on me and the back we don't play. Me crock on my nasro, wabria shasia pro. Me de makoma mana pro. It's so fancy my son is rock. What do you see the boom me boom? The door the desk a bit of video. Or come one up me kum the dot that boom me see me from. Woman cannot tell me yam come. Bra me can I'm in and I'm from. Hini me the film in a Jimmy dinner belly when I see me here come and I'm
Let's go. We are blazing.
Some who wanna be boo back. I'm not doing my to us some dead. Kuma tell my teacher, so me baby, I'm a man, son. Let's see when you miracle, I'm Kuma tell my teacher, so me baby, I'm a man, son. Let's see when you miracle, I'm
station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Kurawuye wina, kurawuye mecho, wabeji mimpina, wamama yembasa. Kurawuye wina, wabeji mimpina, mimpisa mimpina ana, wasi uye mecho. Oh my woman, oh my baby, baby come back to me, I no go fail you tonight. You are my shorty, you are my body.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
When Kata when I send a well for me now, very elsa. Tama me no trim plan me the one with them is again tea or lumambu, or Chadam Banyan Kupambo. Sassy was so good up watching them. I am a first one, Miss Lume. I said, Mrs. Oh, I said, Miss Matemnio, nobody. Why me never seen then somebody like all lumambu get here.
We are blazing. Okuma Radio. Station with your man Kenya. 97.1.
Monica, Nika, t'abonne-toi. Oh, get it back, get it agro. Shake it agro, shake it agro. Oh, mama, agro na miriti, me doja samba bati. Oh, na. America, me doja samba bati.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Asam America, me doja samba bati. Oh na. Money, samo fumuwa, mamu. Oh, I can't love you, name. Samo fumuwa, mamu. Oh, I can't love you, name. Ata, I am eating. Ata, I am here. See many, agitating. I make the message. Ata, I am eating. Ata, I am here. See many, agitating.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio
Abrama maneka say, Mommy's joint back up. A man for a room. Okuma ready. Oh, moye champion what? Okuma from my bank Kenya cry, must say baby. Minimum how grow cry, no poor you and a jewel. There's soon be a museum. Who is size what?
Sir Dennis near Wakuma 97.1. Offering French or where you so friend one and check Wakuma Radio back up.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère Yaro. Munti Akuma Radio da Edasi.
Abrama maneka say, Mommy's joint back up. A man for a kufu room. Okuma Radio. Oh, moye champion what? Okuma from my bank Kenya cry, must say baby. Minimum how grow cry, no poor you and a jewel. There's who be a museum. Who is size what?
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon for frère Yaro, Munti Akumo Radio da Edas.
Akuma Radio 97.1. Akuma Radio 97.1.
Niaja kase okuma afakwa tumo wie jete ne to bar to bu afa pa.
Grace, Akuma Radio, you are the best, number one. Aquara Mountain, so change come for Yenshiamwa, and Kebebe. Rutsa, we are fantastic.
Okay, I'm Maya. One with this year, I've been retired. Nana Akuma Radio, they have come to stay. Oh my God, man, tell me now, but so call out.
Show some love for baby and Ghana. Bunny, be a Maya boy. For me, Bawu Joy. Sweet me, Rumi, and I will be catch them. I'm in my face. Young boy, boy, I see wonderful be a friend of my Mabina. Hero go down, me go meet to me tonight. Nada, say one in it.
Shilo mama Chale anyami tete Ba oyeta lo 19 after 5 21st day in a month of December 2021 Mamamu na fachomu Mamamu Abapa kuzinze anu nope Na mami mama di enjia asabia wa Wengaza Sports So manya eteseng Ene muwa Accra de Esio Jamai Na minjia muwa samire muwa eye New Century Akoso mofo eteseng Muwa VR nyina michia mo Afe muwa samire muwa eye Ponu for eteseng Na minjia sara for Minjia so menya fo nyina Afe muwa enuma popam Enuma popam eteseng Ho iso shahwa Na minjia mepe joje aveme Angono minjia chia munyina Eduana mi bua magamba yaba ka se mi wona kambe kana mi jae na mi ana we ni wo aba odo bi edo mi pe odo su enu ana Yotia oh yikacha udi atuna di kan kuda tira se wana me pe ana tuwa so de mi pedua na me kra
one, Akamakama, Mintu Widayo, dear Bia, what do Bia, Saimbra, and you remember, I am a Sadia Sam and over Canada, or Bow of Pato, you say yo, Chidami, send you the other, to the bar, on Emiana to the bottle, what's the Kuba?
Now, what here? Obi okoto chiriba. What you say?
Okoto chiriba.
Anemia na chiri okoto.
Na ye tu mikasa mente. Tu mikasa masono.
Yanisa. Anyway, now it was my all-time favorite. Didn't I mean when you want to know? I say, "Ya mama dear, any achiani any asa. No more say, I am mia motia. Men I make us say, Mrs. Your friend motia.
Motia. No why?
Why not? The motia do I?
Don't say I believe your problem.
And you me buy it. And you know when I got said, okay, my memo sign you know, my tea for is that okay. Sound you know, if na school for court match pass a cry, and then mobile.
Brass band for
who's there? Then you already a gym. Now, this is the song.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
ODC represent, baby. Way back. I miss this song, die. Na abranti ebisu by a pioneer friend Terry Bonchaka. Na ninyumbi na ayamede ode ensesada ode nyimima ode vaga pulele pule. Gara has lost a lot of talent, baby. Yeah, lose talent, pao. African child who ya Kwame Osuanza. Ye didimua Suzy Williams. Terry Bonchaka. Ningina ya ka kwenshia. Ena obo modi abo baby akele Ghana lady na eba no shene ni mini ni ema baby akele African girl eba road accident. That's right.
Lady your call. Magis here.
Ebony.
Na ka no muni mu ka na se.
Ebony, o say
o ka no muni mu ka na se ya na fufu won.
Say ya nyom ebi krampo o na nyom no kita ka no. Ebony say nyom no na kita ka no. Kwami se fa kan de Kwami Owusu ansa. Chema je nyo asem. Kwami Owusu ansa. Ne die na ona motorway wo ba bi na articulator bi. O de ko shase and na onufi and Susie Williams and also the same thing and na onyaka
and omo da na because I mean what motor now that hurious so
me new hobby but report omo de my kira a road accident so nipa ne da so huri ye so yeah the koro me hu bibia koro sure you know say all that so yeah the obey there hu. This is one song from Ebony Reigns and Ebony Reigns forever. One time artist of the year. This time around, nowhere to be found. It's a road accident has let us lose this talented and creative musician, which can't for no Ebony Reigns forever, and this is one of the songs.
Ebony
Reigns.
That's how much Bob Marley you must see Ebony.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
In the afternoon and in the evening, best in caution as you can if you intimation share. The minute we see a median and mammy toy.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Girl, you the hustle be like say you know they got chance. Area the turn out in different umbrella. Minyan Africa cry baby and mawa pemumwo jaiso me babe di wuja mande buswo.
We are blazing.
And never di wo baby wuja.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Jaiso Miski mundi mija Ubi medi mija Miski mundi mija
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hey, Enyuma Bako. That's it. Enyuma Bako pa the boy.
Kwame.
If you ready me mundi mija. If you ready me mundi mija. Yellow me toy, me wano. Where the I am for Taka. Bani be besivia. Yes, I am here.
Yes, I am here. Oh, yes, I am here. Mr. Anneseme, I called your best savior. Yes, I am here. Oh, yes, I am here. Mr. Anneseme, I fade the massacre. Oh, massacre. Wendy massacre. Because you're young, you're my baby, man, he did yes, so me did them with Dupa. Now, me in a boom. Now, you're got your sorry. You got your sorrow. You got your sorrow.
Yakotia sorry, I fake a massacre. Yakotia sorry, Yakotia sorry, Yakotia sorry, I fake a massacre. Miss Odimam by boyo, Odimam by boyo, Odimam by boyo. Mama gave me home, Miss Odimam by boyo, Odimam by boyo, Odimam by boyo. Mama gave me home.
Miss Wababio Benimia, yes, I am here. Oh, yes, I am here. Now, Miss One, Miss Me, CK Arabia, yes, I am here. Oh, yes, I am here. Regime Smian, I'm power deep for me. Bakana me, I see me. Mama, who are Tommy, and then Miss Uma Sedi. Mesha deep for you. Bakana me, I see me. Mama, who are Tommy, and then Miss Uma Sedi.
Yakotia sorry, Yakotia sorry, Yakotia sorry. I fake a massacre. Yakotia sorry,
Yakotia sorry, Yakotia sorry.
I fake a massacre.
Odimam by boyo, Odimam by boyo, Odimam. The boy, you better tea sorry, Kay. You better go tea sorry,
Anya sorry, asem na oka. Anya sorry, asem na oka. Anya no
drop that yam. Oh yeah, galaxy, baby, boy, yeah, cassava, oh, she is sumo papa jasto. Ejade machine happy, yeah, tazabo. Tambo yabo imenogo, you go break me, you go break me, you go break me, you go break me, you 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 break me, Ajay, I come here. Mami I'm budu one day, and I'm big I will lamble. They won't sit it. I'm budu one day, and I'm big lamble. Oh, sit it. Ajay, I come here. I come here. For nowhere. You go break me, you break me, you go break me, you break me, you go break me, you break me, you go break me.
On Kuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Station with your man Kenya. Kuma Radio 97.1.
Stylish the mastica no mata our missing children in the mata our missing children. Ajay, I do boy is killing me, I do boy for me. What in the Safi committee ni musayana me Jimmy I do go dani be my junkie tolo beefy I do go dani be my junkie tolo beefy boy I oh
dukuima, bamba ye jefa. Agbala dukuima, bamba ye jefa. Kela bona weki wozo, adukwa injo zo kula zo. Echichi bodo bodo, wana tumado mendo. Bommi ya wago, wonfe kone dobo. Yo esu mami, esu mabo, yemi wadani chaka. On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Right, Dabushia me mama cover. Vamos. DJ Donzi, mama thinking kakra. Let's say on the 26th, all roll list to a Jadus bar. Nakai say 26 krona na dukrobe kwapem. The biggest Aya festival is about to take place. Ebushia, tell a friend to tell a friend. Say ubete wo kaka.
I give my voice and speak.
Na me come sa festival annual day ara for Christmas no mama ye ni amobete entino amampani yesra Sani we knew how we do it. Abi you know that. What the amavan kesi ane ba kumbesi ya 15 wa high beche. Aya the boy Mr. We me na mbisa ti aba mo ma me nchama mo. Corporate institutions kwapem rural commercial bank. Ye cheche mu nyina mo de mu sika ne mpampan no. Shoe fabric therefore here. Yeah, no more. I go found the fire on my dear. Can you call me? I go farms here, Cham Gideon. As a brother, I better do why Rami or me who. Right. Mammy more about the boy. And Nana or Damia. As a man, as
oh, yeah.
As a man, as
bring your nema delay kakra.
That's all my check.
But
21st. General Kasa, don't work parliament.
And then you bring that, you know, Uncle B.
Enjoy yourself.
No, Uncle B. No, catch the Munyan to Crown and Farm Wabiama. Uncle B. Oh,
just on the member.
Oh, you're not the end there, and no quite there.
Nana Madukwa.
Was it?
Nana Madukwa.
Say, a man echo.
I did not manage it. Oh, Tanya San Canania Beba. Etimichao, IGP ne Amanquanum, Michel Munina,
I brew assemblyman.
Okay,
okay,
MC, very much see you do
DC.
This year, Honorable Daniel Kenneth, and on a person Boncoma fight.
Maybe Mama Gi, brew.
Okay,
and if you anymore until I get hairdresser. No,
right.
Nakache, this is a for any boy. Yeah.
Oh, bye.
And they say a secret about what?
You go for him for
secret about what? Now, Mr. Baby, a minimum. No, be no be a bomb. Let me know be bomb. Not so here, DC. No problem.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Niggas in a trap and plenty talking, I swear to God. Transaction in them,
Na asaman and asintia mani abre mo ho a asa wono papa kasa rough wa ha enya de pa me show Bible say yemfo setie emfoma ye nanom ose children obey your parents in the Lord for this is right, honor your mother and father so that you may live long. Na ebane say na sisia amen 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 ebane say
me bu no pa
I say obu me na me wo I say obu me
ensem bia papa yi
aseme na si bonito
na ama chese me kuma atwa no ho a
wa ye den wo de ka na tiefo mrem no mo so ncho ma dwen
enye hwe na edi kan de ma me mpa ne chew se ni awaka no wetu me fo amafa
okay
me mama no ntia ne biem
okay
na mo masem ni nyina ni me ne me papa yi ene wo ho me maame edie man sheda ne na antena sa papa ya na me fi me early 20s se kwa a chese aware me eligible for marriage mekanisa me papa yi obi obeba ma akwam bia papa yi se ngaw ompeno na obi obeba bia abona to agu dan hwe me sa ma me nkama asem obi obeba bia papa yi abona to agu na me so ma ya se jaminim se me papa nti o pa de pa ma me matena wa me kodi 33 next year papa yi o last one o samba e kwa de go na nim ase no meni kura wu
33 no say Yesu Christ di 33 wan ware
me Yesu
Peter ware John ware Nebukadnezar
me Yesu enti we ana amacha say madwen wa menti ase say papa yi ware a no mpese me ware oba nso de otena ho cha na wo ba abrewa awo nso so kwa na ekwa echi iti say madwen ya mpanyimfo ho no ne papa yi mekasae maya
amo no bakasa yi amo pe wa mo ina wa yire
so we bia o me shabe ho so pa sa manu ntia no so papa we
amo no bakasa ni obi a wa yire me na me ba no na me se train bre papa mu bonya be ma papa
entino me sorry ya me se okuma court die mutumi ka because papa say no ye nani ama me ya suspect say bi she nani ase ana so ware me hunhum because madwen wa menti ase
me kwa ye engagement ma wo hunhum ko ka kire no
me se abranti last one the papa di ye no e say onye ni papa
abranti mo de mu fi pa o se de ware abranti mo de mu fi ni mo to mu ne hwa ne shirt nsa no
akoy oba e ka oba pakisi wanti
ka no kwa me hwa che okosre kwa me na me ba na me se tobo ase be papa mu no papa
na akwa sa wo be 33 years onya akwala
ana me se Yesu 33 years no ware ye ai
no oba so 33 years as a person
eni Ghana ma we Sarah odifia he ana wo ye ana ware ye o ti ase me se on ton bo ase mi amba papa obehu na ma yi ama no na ware fefe
sa wana wo papa be ma na ware
esi papa bia ni wiase me papa bia ni wiase mema nkontompo kro no saka wa boys mo hwe wa ni tisu kusha ni twokuto edane to dan abante ba kwa me share kwa de o chechalo to left and right we edema ware man yeye
nia asem we kosi serious wawo ba na pema bi obeba bia
na na temi bibia ma no 33 years me top point ma no me to Brazil bibia ma no opedan o so koye ne nsa na ma yisika na me ma no je fa koye won nsa
enti eya ofese bia mete wo so sa
aga anya ofanka wo jisika no
se o de ye meja enti u ka se ma mi sika
ana try ina foto kuro abe ware awo
right atie for 0551 667755 0551 667755 0551667755 the boy bay
etie for me ka bi ma
abusia
obi amaka bi
o say ohuni ane papa na hwehwe won wo nti opese obe ware ya frozen na akasa fi odi shebe ni
odi shebe Nigeria o
na bibia boko wa pred de
Awurade adom
okuma ni e Ofie me da se chewadwe wasemi o
eya mi se papa no owale le ba no osusu ana so pe no
sana se se ame
se me ware me ba no de ho na be bo ame na me ko pe no osusu no ase eya no se ono ko nyini
yo matima me fa foforo wa homa no so
0551
667755 0551 667755 odi shebe ni Oh, went to me and Yinaso. 055166 7755 0551 667755. Audition. Hello. Oh, too bad. Hey, what's
up? I grab him on the papa.
0551667755. Audition.
Watching honey anyway.
Ahonfe kasafi.
Ebe wa se kwamo so down.
Na bibi aboko de ahonfe.
Aboko.
Akoma ni.
Mpacho.
Ofie pe. Ore chiche wadwe wasemi o.
Yo, emse ejani na bia pa de pama ne ba. Se oja e kasa che oba de se oti. Bo ba aka. Inti ya ofo. Yan kwada wa asase so. Yembu omo enti se de obu ma one yeti omo an yombe kibia me gidi se ya correct my ya dachin me da se
mate
kwame o Ghana hana emema papa no wan to wo unya bi enema ema bebre ne ombo yenyen no na se on to no bo ase o ta se nya susuma ware asem afia Nigeria ka se ware sunsum no me na ko engagement no ana baby
tobo okay mami fo bi wa audition be ni yeah me pa to wana me na ka say oh what's wrong my phone lines and 0551667755 0551667755 audition be ni
audition Esther ni o
Esther Kasafi Kwamoso boko de Esther Okuma ni
okay atma no
akwara ni lunch in the presence for radio no so
easy
chawaju asemi o
kakra me kan say papa no bia no so opene ba no iye ntine bia emane kasa no ntine ba no nya emano
ene ya tete ana ma bebre match up money papa me betu aga me na me ba na mame
yo all right matemeda say mame fa for wa homa so 055166 7755 055166 7755 hello audition be ni
and that me car me to kele wele wo mande na ene mo
okay na bibi aboko de
lesi adumu
okoma ni
okwa pimano
audition chawajo wasemi o
ngato mi se ma je kire ne se le ba ne bia no pen on pen an kan yo ye no an ko onye
pacho mimpena kama hono kama ko yini kuye mimpena kama ko yini kuye wana ba wono baba ka so ndi ompeno
yo
isi on ton boase sana mu ya mko ware meme bia yentimi hwo mo ni
mate yo me da say 0551 667755 0551 667755 0551 667755 obi wa homa so odi chebe ni eja kwam tela na bibi aboko de
ajana do mo
okuma ni
akwa pama ya no
na samre bomadi ache wadwe wasemi o
yo anyimire ma mi share the boy ani obi a wo hono anapa ayampa obi ni wa wo pene babo ni obi a pese ne ba nya bibi patra but bibi papa ne sisie no ni ba ni age adunu 33 de onya akwala bi mo nti wan hwe yi a obo ne ba na di 50 years o na je say aware na aka ontimi ware bi nti so nunu pese ne ba no so odi boy di aba o te onye odi ye ba o te onye onu nkata mpe boy ma ne ba ne no ware nkoi
papa we na say
to was me papa mo be ya be ma papa ware why
I say 0551667755 0551667755 audition be ni
aye bobo di
aye bobo yo kofodia
kofodia
nyami sha bebre aye bobo if you have one na say ya da wase pa ya ni aso
se baje da tu
ya da se pa okuba ni aye bobo
efiepe
akra bomodi ache wadwe wasemi o
yo me pa cho awale de anumunyam
na dia mema na odi obalo omu ni me popo emi se odi ba me nje na fra bi papa ya mbetu na ave wo ba bi si abani ba je keke eti wonya obani nya butare na fa be ma papa enye sika ahufe opano mba fie na de na to
Kwame na me pay the boy back be free of hey nigga what a man caught man
I don't know if US
hey I want to drink water man
I don't know if US
I baba ya chia Josephine
hey nigga
yo o tio for papa
yeah that's right
if you was go US over what say hey nigga nigga say
right 0551667755
hey nigga
mama phobia na nigga you nigga hello me bajo wana me nigga say
agbeshini o
na bibi aboko de
bibi aboko be wa se
okay okuma ni
efiepe
ade cheche wajo wasemi o
yo me dili se papa no ope ne bana tempa wo se obi anko baka se ni ope bia ankofa na akofa kakai bia befie enti ni papa le ka no right akwala ni to ni bwana se oba no to ni bwa se na papa ne beba papa ne ba papa muda
yo
enti hu a obe mu se papa ni somewhere no ntonya bu senche ni papa asem na waka no me da
yes live begins at 40
0551667755 055166 all right audition be ni
audition Mr. Young ni
hey taxi driver na say
commercial bank
all right na bibi aboko there Mr. Young go commercial bank
nyame adom
okuma ni
ofie pe
audition pa church wajo wasemi o
yo mensu kakra meka kire eye de boy ban ne se onto no boy ase na wiase mu ewe obiara ni ho a obekese fo asempa kodo obi open ban yiye inti ne bi ore yese se minimum grofo bi a wo she pataku wo ye mereti no wale pataku akata wo ho kofa won wi na abon se wafa de bone grofo bi wo ho nso ya wo bebo ka de abaye ho ade wo ba wo yi top money na fi ato oboro nti ne papa ne so onto no boy ase ya nkunum di wie ento boy ase wie nkunum di nti onto no boy ase na ne sabe kan yope
me da se pa samre mi che eduko taxi drivers nyina odasani taxi driver ewo eduko Mr. Yo hello your first na akasafi
na bi go me kasafi so manya
papa bi abi na samre dia wakasa osoro abofo na kasa okuma ni Jebisi so fie pe went me nyina so right 0551667755 hello audition be ni
o papa ni kasafi la tete afam
na latte boko de
latte boko
okuma ni
o fie pe
me ba choche wajo wasemi o
ma sa le papa no nya na ba no wale o ze no be seller to akola no seller onya 80 years as na o ba nya 50 years o bi
Ugo mi bani dia ohun. Ugo ni dia so ba ye 50 years ohun. Wo ye nyame.
Bra wa pa ho. 50 years ko ohun bi. 50 years. Asala onya 80 years ala bra so nene. O ma no ba no wale, o ma no kwa no wale kwa.
Ate me da say wala te 0554667755.
Bore mu kura. So ba ye 50 o ye nyame.
Na akasa say.
Ya to ba ye.
O wa adwene am di 50 ansema.
Adi se be ni.
Sala ku ani o.
Oh, na bibi aboko yes stand akwa.
Ya me adu bibi aboko.
Okuma ni.
O fiete.
Enda wo to singing man for nyum na za wo frɛ. Stand akwa chewajo asemi o.
Oh, da boy me pa ni se onya le ba no wa o na wa re be pa ho wai.
Opa me cho say, o be wa re na.
Listen man, no kwa no wa re na wa re be pa mo mi.
Ahi na be ma me na de ma no dia wa re. Ma mo ka say obi an ka say be 2 million 3 million. Ko wa re keke. Oba uko say o be so ba wa re a wo na say woman sika no de wa re. Esi o bodi so be me na. Mo fa machine. Awari e wa ne keke. Ana mo ka wa re mu bi mo say si fam. Mo si aso. Mo tu me ka.
Ya no wa re.
Yo, me da say sister na ko mama fa me last caller 0554667755. Adi chebe ni. Adi chebe ni.
Ya from me ko bote mi ka se so man.
Na so me nya boko de.
Kulempa.
Akoma ni.
Ofipe.
Me ba chocha wadwe wasemi o.
Nyami o sha papa no papa. Na dia mi huni se Obano ne kongo ade no enti papa no onu chance no
Oh, for the Nadia Kaka.
Me call the day. Edward Day.
Hey. Hey. Oba obebai ai ni ane yam makokro oni bi. Timi ana se me toma no.
Okay.
E ma be ni asanka.
Ma me fo bi wa ho bai. We am last call I from said Agasafi.
Oya me di catching Kakafi Japo.
Japo mboko de.
Bachai.
Me pa choche wadwe wa semi o.
Bacho, mfafe bisa pa ni se. O pese ni ba ni di sise ono asa no awari ana.
O pese ni ba ni ya dai.
Onyi sise ono asa no awari ana. Ntoje ni ba no wali.
Aso pese oba ni nyin ti se once wawari.
O misa no ho. Misa me bisa ho. O wawari. Ona ho Japo wawari. Dross baako. Baba baako. Blazer baako ya de ware.
Yo.
Somebody 33 for what?
Asemebo. Na Killer Black, mami for last caller. You from say na Agasafi.
Remember to do na kajire.
Hey, na bibi aboko de mi nua me to nka che.
Oh, Mr. Akale. Yes, so
na I know Sami Ubutu.
Oh, we Ubutu Akale.
Akoma ni.
O feel pe.
Sami Tuga.
Oh, unim.
Chawa jo asemi o. Che o ya me last caller.
Litia the boy. Ma fene pa, ma we hwehwe no. Na be de no bro nya de abre no.
Sure.
Litia bibia Africa pa.
Yeah, jo so.
Da fi be cover be TMB na program no ma se saman.
Yeah, that's it.
Kache the boy say Litia no na mum ne ba no. Onya botrema no mpe ba ma be ma obiti ma hwe ne ba no. Na de na ma na ware. Da bibia ase.
Sami Tuga, yeah, that's it pa. Right. I wish you go from Pon. Me the mercy. Momo friend na me sremo me the mercy and
I name Baba Kundi ni birthday Mavis.
I will
Mavis. The Mavis my happy birthday.
Right.
And Tatre, so Tatre. Nan kana yire any akuta. Mengres. One Mengres na oye. Ai. Na mubanenyi miss. Tene akuta na birthday. With 40 years.
Okay.
Inti onokura ware na wo.
Oh, me that's it. I'm from and I call me probably waiting me from the fighters. The man you know get rid of me. Hey, go for the Paul. Mammy no BBRO tear me be as in yam perch na you best say she and I for fro. I said I can say come Victor hit the list to walk. So I said I can say come and no damn ya. Brasami DJ Donzi. Ziggy B. I'm in that time. I'm shooting and I call me upon said in Castle the sports update in the bread. And I curry. Team in our supporting me live. Now me a money at Yasiachina. You know, Bessia me call.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Silence for a minute, rest in peace to Sister Mariam. I'm in my Alexander. You better see I was through one day, and I will tell you my story. Okuma Radio 97.1. I'm doing so many bad things, but you can't see me in my shit. Meaning, power heaven, see, I can't be mommy, cause I really lose my way. And yes, say, now I tell you, to my rosa. If you're not some mappa, if you're not some mappa. Si mon femme sao, na kwa kupi body asemebo. Kila madi asemebo. Kwa kupi body asemebo. Okuma Radio 97.1. Body asemebo. Kwa kupi body asemebo. Kila madi asemebo. Kwa kupi body asemebo.